a shipping service restricts the dimension of the boxes it will ship for a certain type of service. The restriction states that for boxes shaped like a rectangular prism, the sum of the perimeter, okay, so here's the important part, sum of the perimeter of the base of the box and the height of the box cannot exceed 130. And also we have a rectangular prism for our given geometry. So how does that underline in red translate into mathematical equation? When you see the word sum, we're adding. What are we adding? Perimeter of the base of the box. So you have the box, rectangular box, like this. Okay, so let's say we have like length, width, height. So the perimeter of the base will be 2 times the length plus width, or you can say 2L, 2W as in distributive property. The height of the box. Okay, so here is the base. So let me clarify. Here is the base of the box. And now we're adding. So I'll highlight the part. The sum of the perimeter of the base is really this part. And the height of the box. Okay, height of the box should be h. Okay, I'll also make this as the base of the box. Okay. So you guys can see how colors work here. And we add this. Okay, or that's what the sum is. We're adding the base of the box and the height. Now the next part is that it cannot exceed 130 inches. And so if you write cannot exceed 130, which means that you can have up to 130, but you cannot go beyond it. So meaning anything less than or equal to 130 can work. Okay, so we got the equation. Now let's read the next part. The perimeter of the box is determined using the width and length of the box. If a box has a height of 60 inches and its length is 2.5 times the width. So it said the box has a height of 60 inches. Okay, so we can plug it in. So for the greenie here, 60 inches. Let's just substitute 60 for h. And its length is 2.5 times the width. So if you rewrite that part, so for that, which color should I use? Okay, so right, this part, the length is 2.5. So I'll have another equation. Length L equals 2.5W. And I'm going to plug it in where L is. And when you do that, you get 2 parentheses 2.5W plus 60 is less than or equal to 130. So now we have one variable, just W, and just numbers, one inequality, one variable. Let's do algebra. Oh, and what is the question asking? Which inequality shows allowable with W, with X? Okay, so here's our goal. Okay. I should have read the question first. But anyway, I was trying to help you guys translate each sentence. And the goal is to find the X. And the X happens to be W. So let me replace everything here. Okay, where L, or where, with X. Where W is, I'm going to change it to X. Where W is, let's change it to X. X. Okay, it's a variable X. I'm not crossing out. Variable X. And let's just change all the W to X. Let's combine the like term. Okay. We get 3.5x times 2 plus 60 is less than or equal to 130. We get 7x here. 60. Okay, when you subtract 60 on both sides, then you get 7x is less than or equal to 70, so x is less than or equal to 10. So off the bat, we have choice A. This doesn't work, all this doesn't work. And about 0, yes, you cannot have negative or even 0 because then it's not a solid. Okay, if you say x equals 0, that's like a flat two-dimensional figure. So that's not a box. So it has to be greater than 0 to keep in solid form. And I show you that the maximum allowable width for x here is 10. The correct answer is A.